Ladies and gentlemen, what the frick is up? My name is Jake Mercury, okay? And I just got back from my vacation. Yes, the first vacation that I took after having the American Express Platinum card, and I'm just so excited to tell you all about what the frick is going on, okay? Because this is some big news here, okay? This is a big deal, okay? So I got the 150K offer on the Amex Platinum. Yes, I got 100,000 membership awards points from people from the referrals on this card. Yes. Thank you so much for whoever signed up for that. I'm hoping that you have an excellent year with your Amex Platinum and for the rest of 2023 and into 2024. Very exciting for everyone here. Let me tell you, okay, I just went to the Centurion Lounge and Delta Sky Club for the first time, and boy, I just had no idea it was that nice, okay? I mean, I actually just went to my first lounge like 2 months ago, maybe a month ago, and, it's okay. It's still pretty cool that you could just walk up and, be like, hey, let me get a Bronx Brewery beer right there, and then they'll just look at my ID and they just kind of give it to me. I'm like, oh, okay. Or can I get a regular iced latte, please? Anything else? That's it. And then they'll be like, oh, I'll get that right for you. I'm like, holy frick! Just turn around and leave. Okay, it's kind of crazy not having to freaking fork over your card and hit 20% on that freaking tip screen that they pivot around and make you do, but this is a lounge, ladies and gentlemen. There's none of that there. None of that crap. All you got to do is get inside. And how are you going to get inside? Well, you're going to need the Amex Platinum card if you want to go to Centurion Lounges, and you're going to need to fly Delta Airlines if you want to get into Delta Sky Club, and you need to have, one of the Delta Reserves or the Centurion cards or the Platinum card, something like that. But hey, guys, I had to fly Delta because of some reason. And, oh my God, dude, I just went to Sky Club. That was freaking sick. But let me talk about the Centurion Lounge first. Because, oh my God, I forgot to tell you. I went to 2 Centurion Lounges because I went on both sides. Yes. Let me tell you about the Centurion Lounges, okay? The first one I went to, it was JFK. And I also had to sign up for Clear, okay? I had to finish the Clear sign up because I just got the Amex Platinum not too long ago. Yes, guys, I'm an Amex Platinum holder, okay? Thumbs the video up for that. Give it a like. Right, okay, back, yeah, okay. So yes, I went to Terminal 4 in JFK. Kind of forgot that the air train is outside of security, so my flight was actually leaving out of Terminal 7. I had to get to Terminal 7, but I was like, hey, I'll just go early, go to Terminal 4. Yes, guys, I went directly into that lounge just to see what was going on. I didn't even need to be in that terminal. I had to leave security and go back to the other terminal. Kind of a nightmare of an airport, I'm not going to lie. But yes, guys, okay. What did I do? Well, I walked up. Let me think. I'm trying to think of my other experience, honestly. I don't think this one was that good because I had to go really quickly. But, oh my God, the first thing that shocked me was the food. Okay, it's like having dinner, dude. It's like a full dinner. I mean, I completely discounted the lounge access, especially the Centurion Lounge. I completely discounted it. When I was calculating my effective annual fee, I put that as zero. I put it as zero. Like, when I'm like, maybe I'll get a coffee or maybe I'll get a cookie or something. No, bro, you can have dinner here. This is restaurant quality food. I don't know, guys. I don't know if I'm being weird about this, but I could just be like, all right, Mom, you can take me early to the airport. I'm just going to go hang out in the lounge and get some dinner. Bro, you could sit there for up to 3 hours. And I had a full dinner with chicken thigh, some delicious teriyaki rice and vegetables, all of it just home fresh cooked. So delicious, guys. Very, very delicious and very refreshing because you can just zone out, take a deep breath, and, as soon as you go past the lady that's with all those beautiful vines on the background with the bushes where it says American Express Centurion Lounge, and you kind of walk in there, and it's got the wood desk, and they're like, welcome. And I'm like, oh, here we go. It's going to be good. And you get in there, and it's a little crowded. That's the one thing that was a little annoying. It's a little crowded, but as soon as you find a seat to sit down, oh, man, you just let it all go. You let everything go. You just let your bag go right there and take the jacket off. And then all you got to do is go get some food. You can just get up, get some food, maybe get a coffee, maybe get a beer, espresso martini. I didn't get the espresso martini. Someone was asking me to. I didn't get it. But yeah, it was just a peaceful time, okay? Very much better than going to Burger King and getting a Whopper Jr. and some fries that are not that good and not that crispy, and then you're realizing, oh, God, not only did I pay $15 for some freaking food, now I got to sit on the plane in the middle seat, have a terrible uncomfortable stomach ache as all that shit processes through me. And now I not only feel bad about myself, wasted $15. You have to deal with that for 6 hours until you get to your destination where you can finally lay down, let all the relaxation out. I don't know what that means, but just you get it. You guys get it. It's a lot better. It's a lot better when you can get some real food, and I severely discounted that. As somebody who likes to cook myself, it's very nice. It's very nice going to the lounge, yeah. But yes, guys, how do we make all this happen, okay? How do we get into the lounge? How do we get into the Centurion lounges? You know, maybe if you want to go to some other little lounge like the Club C or some other Priority Pass lounge, how are we going to get in? You know, if we're all regular Joe Schmo people, you know, I'm wearing some jeans, I'm wearing some T-shirts. I mean, I'm not too different. I'm just a guy, and so are you. And how are we going to get into the Centurion lounge, okay? Well, let me tell you. You got a few options. The first one that I find the most value is you just got to get the Platinum card. You could pay $50 as well. That's the second option, but we're just going to skip that. So, how do you get the Platinum card? Is it worth it? Can you afford it? I mean, is it crazy? I mean, it's $695. Can you pay for that? Well, there's a calculator right here in the description that I used from Ask Sebi. Put in your normal spending. Put in how you value the credits. Yes, the credits are annoying. Yes, you can break even and make positive value. Yes, I just did that with the Saks $50 gift card in person, and it fully credited my statement. So Stop texting me. Oh my God. So yes, guys, that's exactly what I did, and I'm actually positive value. I'm positive value right now. It's very, very good. Okay, let me tell you about the credits now. Okay, Saks Fifth Ave. I went in real life to Saks on Fifth Ave. Yes, the real Fifth Ave Saks. Okay, you can do this in your city near you. Okay, there's lots of different locations. They are Saks on Fifth Ave. Saks Fifth Ave, not Saks off. Not Saks off Fifth Ave. It's on. Got to make sure it's on. But there's plenty of them. I looked at the location finder. There's like Tampa, like Philly, Pittsburgh, I think. Maybe not Pittsburgh, I don't know. But yes, you guys get the point. You can do this too. And then you can stack your gift cards for next year. So here's the big deal, okay? Here's the really, really big deal. Okay, you can do this right now. Okay, you can do this right now. Here's why I signed up in December too. Do it right now. You got like 3 days left or 1 day, I don't know. Do it right now and then do it again in January, and you can double dip those credits. It's pretty nice, okay? I'm doing it with the FHR credit as well. I surprised my girlfriend with a trip to Savannah, Georgia, and she was a little disappointed because honestly, I was like, wait a second. I think I'm just doing this because I have the credit. I don't even want to go to Savannah. Could be a cool place. Found it on Reddit. I don't know. Maybe I need to try harder. She's not a big Vegas guy either, you know. I mean, I want to go to Vegas, but I don't know. I mean, I'm not into gambling as much, you know. I did that in the crypto era online, but hey, we're done with that. It's over. And now we're into some good financial principles. But yes, ladies and gentlemen, the FHR credit, you can do it in 2022 because it's 2023, it's per calendar year. And then you can do it again in 2024. And this is why you get the Platinum card in December. You basically get, you know, an extra couple $100 of credits, okay? Because the annual fee is going to be the whole year. You don't get charged another annual fee in January if you signed up in December. You get charged it when you sign up in December, and then again in next December. So yes, guys, you can, you know, stack these annual credits and semi-annual credits, and that's exactly what I did. I got the Saks gift card over there. I'm going to go in a couple days and get another Saks gift card. And now I'm going to have $100 of Saks. I can finally buy something that's not socks, okay, or underwear, okay. I want to buy the North Face bag or some sort of like travel bag or something. It's pretty sick. But yes, guys, okay, I need to come up with another idea for what I'm going to use my FHR credit, but yes, I might go to Vegas, something like that, blah, blah, blah. Okay, what else is there to think about? Give me a sec. So now that you know that you can make positive value on the Amex Platinum, you got to make sure you can hit that 150,000 membership rewards points sign-up bonus. And it's a little difficult to do that, okay? This is honest. I'm going to be completely honest with you guys. I've maxed out all of my referrals, but this video here does exactly show you. It shows you how I did it. I personally did it myself in a watch me apply video. It kind of goes over the rest of the credits. I, on the Jake Mercury YouTube channel, do not want to cover the same thing 5 times. We get it, guys. The effective annual fee on all these cards, blah, blah, blah. Amex Gold, okay, $10. Yeah, Venture X, positive 5. Dude, I won't bore you guys with the same exact video every time. It's going to be different here on the Jake Murray YouTube channel. So after you click on that video, if it's still up, you better hit that subscribe button right now because there's more content to come in 2024. Hope you guys all have a good day. Take it easy. Bye.